This is Rita Kirkwood, your licensed clinical social worker with Kingdom Connect Consulting Services, bringing you your holistic health tip of the week. This week's tip is know your value. Yes. In today's mainstream society, in this digital world of social media, we are exposed to many opinions about what's valuable about a person. And we hear people ask the question, especially in romantic relationships, what do you bring to the table? And then they go on to try to determine a person's value uh, about their outer appearance, especially for women, about whether or not that woman is young. And as her age increases, then her value decreases. And for men, trying to say that a man is more valuable based on how much money he earns, what type of car he drives, or what type of house he lives in. Then they also look at other factors, the shape of the woman, and whether or not the person has children. Do not allow those things to cause you to be in emotional distress where you're experiencing anxiety, feelings of sadness and depression because someone else has tried to determine your value. I cannot determine your value, nor can anyone else. God has already determined that you are valuable and that you are worthy just because of who you are. God made certain declarations about you. God said that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. God also says that you are his masterpiece and that his thoughts of you, if you were to try to number them, are more than the grain in the sand. Don't get me wrong. Should we sit around and do nothing in life? Of course not. We should be productive in every area of our life. God made each one of us with a purpose and a plan in mind. And God determines your value and your worth, not another human being. So don't allow other people's opinions to cause you to think less of yourself, to see yourself as not being valuable. Because if someone is looking at you and wants to love you based on what you bring to the table, what happens when someone comes along and can bring more to the table? Will they end the relationship with you? So think about those things. And you determine for yourself if you want to be involved in a relationship with someone who really believes that they can determine another human being's worth. I hope this holistic health tip is beneficial to you. If so, we would love to hear from you at Kingdom Connect Consulting Services.